Normally, I wash my face when I'm in the shower. I just take my Crunchi bar in there with me. But I wanted to show you guys, I'm extremely impressed at how quickly this bar dries. So I've always been against bar soap because they get gooey and yucky, and none of these do. None of the facial bars. I have the body bar, I have the littles bar, I have all the bars, and they all dry quickly. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to wash my face and show you that it's pretty much dry by the time I get done with mine.
Look.
Yeah, I see.
See?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know bugs in my ears.
There's not bugs in your ears. Okay, so I got it all soaped up. I put it on my little soap dish above my sink. I'm going to soap up my face here. I'm going to rinse my hands and get my washcloth wet. Okay, and then I simply just wipe it off. And Liam tells me not to get it in my eye. He's over here cleaning his ears out. There's not bugs in your ear, that's wax. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my skincare routine. That means I'm going to tone, do the serum, the eye cream, and the moisturizer, and then I'll show you the bar. So, tone. And actually, it's pretty much dry already, but I always go around the back of my neck. I don't know, it's a habit. Serum.
Baby box.
Mm-hmm.
Mama.
Don't forget your neck.
No, I don't want my ears. Mama.
Okay, eye cream. Please hush. I'll be done in just a minute. So this also shows you like how quickly my skincare routine can be done. I've had to talk a little bit and deal with the toddler over here, but right now I'm at 3 minutes, 3.5 minutes, and I'm almost done. Moisturizer. So that means that technically this bar of soap is going to take less than 3 or 4 minutes to dry, because part of that was getting my soap in my face wet. Okay, now that I'm done with the routine, I will pick my bar up, and you can see that for the most part, it looks the same as when I started. Some of the soap bubbles are still just a tad bit damp, but for the most part, this bar of soap is dry. So you're not gonna have that icky, gooey mess that you think of when you think of traditional bars of soap. And like I said, the Littles bar, same way. The body bar, same way. They dry fast, and there isn't goo.